Cuk. Cuk.
Kipat ba nong song jagilai telegisnong bukanto be per khat armer am phangre bat mat chogre lengba Joint Action Committee Ribhoi District ha ka arpu artrek nai wiang arhajar pusat klemi beniat pat ba ban penpaw ke jeng persya ka bejur lo ke jeng temu sarkar jela ban penggeri ano ya ka Conservation Training Institute CTI jong ke Soil and Water Conservation Shamokhanu bat ban penkelapat ikene ke jaka syak Industrial Estate da ka bakenoru ba ikene kam la shule sop klem ke jeng pentek pat ba Hagini jingat padba lawan man anjing kershan bagi dong elam seng halang berbentuk ke KSU, FKJGP, RBYF, Bernihat Citizens Forum, Garo Students Union, Ribhoi Regional Unit, Bernihat Women's Society, kena school ke St. Jude Secondary School bagi bay. Haga balas sedang ya ke jingat padba narun aksyong umper ter ke Pelau Office jong ke CTI. Kumbala saki padba kelara di plakat ban penrem bat ban penpaw ke jing persya ka bejor ke jing temu ban penkala ya ka CTI sya ke jaka penmi ki karkhana ban chimti de ke Invest Meghalaya Authority kila penpaw ru ba kene kala ban penkala syu ya kene kathan sya ke jaka ka ba jobo syu nalor ba bernihat klayo ekanam kum kathan ka ba jobo tam keri India Kumbala penpaw ru di ginong elam ba ke jing temu ban penkala ya ke spa akar ke jaka berna CTI sya ke jaka penyang karkhana kan kata syikat day amar kedinga klau ko babasa umbam umdi ya palat lai charmut kinong song shnong hadin gejingat pat ba la penlong ru da kejingelang balai shimbenta da kinong elam ke Joint Action Committee bagi seng balang benetai sani halor kene kejing persya kene kejing temu ko basap jong sarkar jela ban penrem ru ya menteri rang ba ke jela ha ka bala shimru ekarai ben ekendo obyang ya menteri rang ba ben ekran halor kene kejing temu ban pen kan ria ya ka CTI
baga jubab kenlang ya bi hawaja arbufra ladafi piaile ini kan kibanyan kibayuroi ya ka bandai ya ka bomdai banyan ngin sa jubab bi osnem arjar bufra
tinakaliang ka chunga ngayang hangne nakaliang ka FKJP berhak salkil hero kum ka federation idan sisay kata ka mensim kabangi persya juri ya kane ka jing temu jang sarkar bahkan wanra ya kane ka industrial state hakane ka jela hakane ka sinong ka jongpi namar ngirung idon hakane ka dong ka thain ka jongpi ka marjan kabangi idon hakane ka jela hakane ka area jo kane ka Bernihat hi barakawai lada ka kata ya phi yangi yang aru ya kikun kikti ya ki persa ki jongi ki bansawan la sai sisi ka don ka jing ta lang kay kabangi la i yakini kisni kisnam ki balalek baka jela ka jongi bat kane ka dong ka thain ka jongi ka Bernihat kalalong ka we kata ka jaka ka balayo ya kata ka nam ka banikong do hari India kum kata ka jaka ka bajabo tam kibami kita kil air ki bajabo tam tesakat no ngi ki ginong song snong jokane ka dong ka thai ka jongi ninang ya mat bat ninang ya mat ya kine ki jinge ki bangi la shem hakine ki snem ki balalik na hato ka sarkar kami imo ya kata ka jinge ka bangi kum nong ginong song snong hakane ka Bernihat ka jongi sakap ne baki ki kwa bangi kinong song sine nginayay bam ya kine kin air ki bajabo kumbangi latep kinong song snong bakal jela kalajit ya kane ka jong ka thain ka jongi ka da industrial area ba ilatip sai ka jela jong ka sam kurajit ya kane ka benta ka bamarjan ka jongi kata ka industrial area sakat no ngin ya bam bat Asam ngin ya bam bat Meghalaya ya kita ki jabo ki bami kita ki air ki bami kita ki air bi ki bami kabangi lasai sisngi ngin yo sibun jat ki jingpang
because we have all these living things. We also are living things. Our animals, plants, all are living things. Yes or no? Yes. So we have to protect. It is our right. We have to protect this environment and the world, the living atmosphere. And we see how beautiful this area is with the greenery. So we have to keep up that. greenery all throughout, and we also have to live according to that and protect and safeguard our forest, our animals, and our human life. So I am happy to be here to take part in this rally to protect our environment and to safeguard our life and the life of all the animals, birds, and the trees. So thank you so much for conducting this. So in the name of the St. Jude School, I also ask good that we are taking part in this protest rally. So we do not know what is going to happen, but we have to stand for our right. So we all are human beings, we have our own rights, we have to keep up that rights, and we will stand for that. Yes or no, my students? Yes, we stand for to protect, safeguard our nature. So thank